Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video, I will guide you to fix network error issue on ChatGPT. So if you want to fix the network error issue on ChatGPT, but you don't know how to do it, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. The first thing and the first basic thing what you need to do is that make sure that your device is connected to some kind of data outlet. So if your device is connected to Wi-Fi, so if your device is connected to data, then that may also be the issue that your ChatGPT is not working properly. Make sure to switch your network. So if you are using data, simply turn on the Wi-Fi and simply connect it to the fastest Wi-Fi which you use. And if you are using Wi-Fi, you just need to make sure to turn off the Wi-Fi and you just need to turn off the data. So after doing it, you just need to try to log into your ChatGPT account or use the ChatGPT account. So if that helps, that's good. If that doesn't, and if that helps, that's good. If that doesn't, then you just need to turn off the VPN if you are using. So if you are using any kind of VPN or proxy, then just simply turn it off and try to log in or use the ChatGPT again. So if that helps, that's good. If that doesn't, then you just need to go to Play Store or App Store and check if there is any update available for the chat. So if there is any update available, you just need to update the app and use the ChatGPT again. So if that helps, that's good. If that doesn't, then you just need to simply uninstall the app from here and you just need to reinstall it again. And this will help you to fix the network error which is occurring on your ChatGPT. So that's it. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.